SQ stock Block Inc. is on the move in this regular session of today, the 3rd of November 2023, up roughly 12%. And there's an analyst note from the folks at Morningstar. They are saying that the cash app business saw 26% year-over-year revenue growth, excluding Bitcoin. This is a sequential decline, but growth remains healthy, and they still see a longer growth runway for this business. The management of the company noted it is increasingly focused on positioning the Cash App as the primary banking relationship for customers. So while they think this goal highlights the long-term economic uncertainty that surrounds this business, they think the strategy makes sense at a high level. So they also think the third quarter results from Block were solid, but not overly impressive. Okay, so they are more encouraged by the management's comments and its willingness to lay out some long-term financial targets. While CEO Jack Dorsey has talked about greater discipline when it comes to profitability, they've seen little actual progress, and they like that the company is now providing discrete profitability targets. Okay, so they will maintain their $83 fair value estimate for the narrow-moat company. Okay, they also see the shares as materially undervalued, but would stress that the uncertainty rating is still very high. So the company is still regarded as undervalued. So this is the 1-minute chart, and on this chart, the 10-minute moving average is projecting strength and nothing else. Strength all the way to $50.66, implying that maybe it's also pointing out to $50.78. And then the most upward projection on this 1-minute chart is $51.84. So if you come back to the 5-minute chart, this is what we have. We have strength as well. Strength all the way towards 51.70. There's also a Fibonacci projection there of $51.84. The most upper projection here is $53.68. If you come to the 45-minute chart, you're going to see that its weakness here. Weakness is projected here for its 10-period moving average, all the way down to 41.84. But in terms of Fibonacci projections, there's one above that, so it's trading below all of them now. So 50.21, and above that is 51.47. Then we have 51.91. Then above that we have 52.25. Then above that we have 52.49. Above that we have 52.73. 53.02, 53.46, all the way towards 54.72. So let's dive down now to the daily chart and see what we have. On the daily chart, mind you, the stock is rallying within a longer term downtrend. Okay, so right now it has with this rally, it has now broken above its this projection of 47.59. So we have the next upper projection at 73.29, really ambitious. So what looks like a sideways movement sideways to downward projection for its 10-day moving average is what is implied. So by the 13th of November, Monday the 13th of November, 41.98 is projected. So there are no other projections, no other Fibonacci projections apart from this 72.82. So yes, mind you that the folks at Morningstar are determined that the stock is undervalued. Okay, so let's look at the 1-week chart and see whether anything more positive is installed there for the stock. So strength is projected up till Monday the 27th of November, and after that weakness thereafter. So there's also a Fibonacci projection there, 70.42. So from Monday the 6th, we have 57.94. There's also a projection, a Fibonacci projection around there, 55.60, and then we have 64.21. There are a couple of 10-week moving average projections around there. So on the weekly chart, it looks quite positive in the very short term, and then the upper projection is all the way towards 118.21. So let's look at the order book for block. Let's see. Okay, 21. Yes, definitely it is one of the most active stocks in this session. We have, this is the order book, obviously, and this is where the market orders are going through. The market orders, how would I put it now? The market orders tend to influence much of the volatility we see, and what is going on right now. And much of that is likely down to the orders that are going through here, so because they're market orders, by using that, you're saying that you want to get into the market or get out of the market with the prevailing price. So the market will continue to satisfy those who have that until there's room to satisfy the orders, or from the there's room to satisfy limit orders. So it tends to influence volatility, it tends to influence liquidity, and squeeze and everything, huge rallies and all that stuff. They all come through largely, or to a good extent, from market orders. So yeah, let's have a look and see the prices we're looking at here. So the current price is now 49.15. So we have down here a couple of some are placing, you've seen 50.1. I've seen that $50.1, and here we have 48.60. So it could be, these orders could be, they may be that they want to buy or they want to sell, as the case may be. So that's what we are looking at right now, and it's fluctuating around, I would say, $48 and $49 as things stand right now. Yeah, you can see now, see just the market is thin. It's the orders that are going through are just very tiny. You can see them, just very tiny. So they will all go through because they are market orders, as I pointed out earlier on. So yeah, we're seeing some amount of weakness setting in with the stock. So yeah. So in any case, just see what you make of blocking stock, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.